The Galaxy S25 Ultra has been making waves even before its official launch, thanks to some interesting leaks. First, let's talk about the design and color options. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to stick to a sleek titanium build, which feels premium and durable. Thanks to leaked SIM card trays shared on spare parts websites and noticed by Roland Quant, we've got a hint of its potential colors: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gold, and titanium silver. For those who shop directly on Samsung's website, exclusive shades like titanium jade green and titanium pink gold might also be on the cards, though these are unconfirmed at the moment. But earlier, Ice Universe had something slightly different to say. According to them, the Galaxy S25 Ultra would come in black, green, blue, and titanium. Notice the difference? Ice Universe mentioned a green shade in the core lineup, whereas the more recent leaks suggest green might only appear as an online exclusive option, if at all. Moving on to the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus, these models look equally stunning but with a more colorful twist. Leaked photos of their SIM trays by the same source show black, blue, green, purple, and white as potential options. The black appears to be a near dark gray, while the blue is described as a deep, rich shade. The green and purple draw inspiration from natural tones like mint and violet plants, offering a softer, more pastel aesthetic. Just a few days ago, excitement spiked when a Reddit user, Gaming MK, shared a brief 10-second clip that appeared to showcase a next-generation device. Initially labeled as the S24 Ultra, tipster Ice Universe quickly stepped in to clarify that the device was, in fact, the much-anticipated Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. The short clip offered a first glimpse at the phone's sleek and flat design, complete with slightly rounded corners. The power button and volume rocker were visible on the right side frame, while the back featured Samsung's signature camera setup, staying true to the brand's classic design language. Building on the excitement from the video, more leaks emerged, offering additional glimpses of the device. These new images, shared by the same Reddit user and Android authority, showcased the bottom section of the phone. The USB-C port was positioned alongside an S Pen slot on the left, accompanied by a speaker, microphone, and SIM card slot. Another image highlighted the corner bezel, revealing thin, uniform edges that enhanced the phone's premium appearance. One of the most intriguing photos captured the device while it was charging, displaying One UI 7 updated notification interface and giving a sneak peek at the upcoming software experience. The notification shade was split into two sections, one dedicated to notifications and the other for system controls. The app drawer showcased refreshed icons, and a redesigned battery indicator in the top right corner hinted at notable changes to the user interface. Hardware details also have surfaced recently. The device is confirmed to have the model code SM-S938B and achieved impressive scores on Geekbench 6, 2,627 in single-core and 9,404 in multi-core tests. It is revealed that the Ultra model will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, built on an advanced 3nm process. With up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage, it is clear that this phone is designed to handle demanding tasks effortlessly. As for the release date, mark your calendars for January 22nd, when Samsung is expected to unveil the S25 series at their Galaxy Unpacked event. Pricing isn't confirmed yet, but based on past trends, the Ultra could start around $1,200, while the S25 and S25 Plus might land between $900 and $1,100. There's also the rumored Galaxy S25 Slim, which is expected to launch a few months later. What do you think of these leaks? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And hit the like button, share this video, And don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the Galaxy S25 series.